Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hot chocolate using just cocoa powder. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Start by combining the dry ingredients in a small saucepan. This ensures a smooth mixture without lumps. You'll want about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a single serving, adjusting to your taste preference. Once your dry ingredients are in the saucepan, add a small splash of milk and whisk vigorously to create a smooth, thick paste. This step is crucial for preventing any clumps later on. Then, slowly pour in the rest of your milk, continuing to whisk as you go. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring frequently. Do not let it boil, just get it nice and hot and steamy. To elevate your hot chocolate, consider adding a few drops of vanilla extract right at the end. This simple addition brings a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. For an even richer, more decadent drink, melt in a small square of dark chocolate while it's heating. You can also experiment with a dash of cinnamon or a tiny pinch of chili powder for an exciting, unexpected kick. Now that your hot chocolate is perfectly prepared, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows. This simple pleasure is perfect for a cozy evening. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.